Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Merely on Time. I'm excited to be showing you a watch that comes all the way from Belgium. Yeah, that's right, Belgium. So I'm going around the world on this week of Merely on Time watch reviews. We had first up the Christopher Ward from London, and I unboxed this recently. You can check that video out right there. And today on the channel, unboxing and revealing this watch from Gavox Watch Company in Belgium. Coming up next on Merely on Time Watch Reviews. So first off, I have to thank a couple of people for this collaboration. Michael over at Gavox Watches, obviously, he is the owner and founder of this watch and the company. I'll leave a link in the description for Gavox Watch Company. I urge you to go and check them out. They have quite a neat story, and really they make some really nice pieces. But I have to thank my pal Watch Wit. Now, if you haven't subscribed to Watch Wit or you haven't checked out his channel, please head on over right here and check out Watch Wit and subscribe to his channel. Watch Wit has the sexiest watch review voice in the business, and I feel 100% comfortable in saying that. All right, so let's deal with this. It comes in this really nice leather travel pouch, and obviously you can see that the Gavox brand is put on the pouch there. Very nice. So let's just pop this open. Watch Wit did an unboxing of this and a review. I'm not sure if his review is up quite yet, but he did an unboxing of it, and he thought that I would like this piece, and he is absolutely right on the money. Look at this thing. This is absolutely beautiful. The thing that I would use to describe this watch, the words I would use to describe this watch, is just clean, classic. Actually, it kind of reminds me of a pocket watch that I actually saw on Amazon that I was interested in buying. And so just have a look at this dial, and I am a sucker for white dials lately. Just think this one is absolutely beautiful. Kind of a unique one too, in that they have the crown up at the 2 o'clock. I've never quite seen one there before. I've seen them over at the 10, I've seen them at the 4, but I haven't seen a crown at the 2 o'clock yet, so that's kind of a neat feature. But the dial is the star of the show. I'll zoom in on the dial in just a minute so that you can just kind of get a view of it, an initial view of it like myself, but really nice looking watch. I'll give you the side profile here, and the side profile of this side, and you can see that you do have Gavox, the letter G, branded on the crown. It comes on a really nice, it's nubuck, it's called nubuck leather, and I'll be talking about this in the review. You can see Gavox is branded onto the underside and genuine leather on that side, and you can see that it is sporting an automatic movement. This is a Miyota 8000 series automatic movement, and Gavox did put a custom rotor inside of that. You can see some other information there on the outer part of that display screw down case back. So this is really quite nice. Let's get Super Cali. We'll spec this one out, and then I'll show it to you on wrist, obviously. And I definitely want to zoom in on that dial in just a minute. But now I am looking for Super Cali. Oh, here she is. Oh, hi, sweetheart. All right, so let's look at what we're dealing with. We'll measure from the 9 to the 3, and you have a case diameter of 41 mil. The thickness from that display case back to the top of the crystal is 11.7, under 12 mil, so that is nice. You do have, I believe, 20 mil lugs. Yep. And the lug tip to lug tip distance on this one is 50.5. So 50.5, over 50. Once you get over 50, that might not be suitable for some smaller wrists, but you can see that it does have a nice angle, a bit of a downturn on the lugs, so I'm pretty sure that'll work. But let's just zoom in on this dial. I'm going to have to be careful that I don't knock my phone off here. All right, and here it is. Just have a look at this dial. Lots of awesome details in there. And again, I'll be covering this one in a full review in about a week's time from this unboxing being dropped, but that dial is fantastic. Again, I'm a sucker for white dials, guys. I've really fallen in love with white dial watches, and this one, oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So thank you, Michael of Gavox Watches, for entrusting me to review your beautiful timepiece here. Thanks to my pal WatchWit for recommending me to Michael and sending this watch over to me after he was done with it. What a beauty. What a beauty. Let me show it to you on wrist, and then stay tuned for the full review of this one in about a week's time. And before that, I urge you to check out the link in the description below where you can find this watch and learn a little bit more about this Gavox watch company, which I will cover in the review as well. Look at that. Oh, what a gorgeous watch. And here it is on my 7.5-inch wrist. And doesn't this thing absolutely look beautiful? You can see where WatchWit was wearing it. The little line there. WatchWit has a slightly bigger wrist than I do. Mine actually might be closer to 7 3/4, to be honest, but I've been advertising a 7.5, so that's my story, and that's what I'm sticking to. But thanks again, Michael. Thanks again, Wit, for allowing me the privilege of having this on hand for a while, and this is absolutely gorgeous. Of course, guys, let me know what you think of this one in the comments below. Thanks for checking out the video, guys, and let me know what you think of this Gavox watch, this Gavox Legacy watch. Drop me a comment below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. I am just around 1,300 subscribers as of the filming of this video, and I have another awesome giveaway lined up at 1,500 subscribers. I'm going to be giving away a really nice automatic watch, and so please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit the thumbs up button if you liked the video. Thank you again to Michael over at Gavox Watches for entrusting me with his watch to review on the channel, and to Wit for sending this watch into me. And guys, coming up this weekend on Sunday, I am going to be filming a conversation with one of my favorite YouTubers. His name is Simon over at Watch the Time YouTube channel. You can subscribe to him or go check out his channel by clicking on the link that'll appear right there. We're filming this video on Sunday, a conversation, and then we'll drop it. It's my Beyond the Watch podcast, I call it, where I get to know the reviewers who review watches on my favorite YouTube channels and get to know what makes them tick beyond the watch. If you happen to have a question for Simon and you want to have that included in our interview, please leave a comment below, and I appreciate that as well. I'll leave the question in the comment below, I should say. And I'm really looking forward to chatting with Simon this coming weekend. Thanks for watching, everybody. Remember, whenever you leave your house, you need to have a great looking piece to wear on your wrist, like this beautiful Gavox Legacy by Gavox Watch Company. And remember, wherever you're going, you need to get there on time. Thanks, everyone. God bless you. We'll see you in the next video.